Hello and welcome to Jordan Farrington Commercials. On offer for you today, we've got this rare old beast. It's a 2020 170 brake horsepower, four-wheel drive L3H3 panel van. As you can see, it's got front sensors with front fog lights. It's in superb condition. We've got the rear beacon. Absolutely great condition all round. Ready to be converted into a workshop van, this is. Into the rear of this Euro 6 van, as you can see, we've got nice lining all round. If you look down there, we've got a night heater, hand wash station. Into the front area of this great looking van, we've got 3 seats, all in cloth. We've got a captain's seat for the driver, storage underneath the 2 front passenger. Got electric windows, as you can see. It's covered just over 74,000 miles. Starts on the button. No warning lights. And as a bonus, how about that? Air conditioning, DAB radio, passenger airbag. Great van all round. Don't hesitate to get in touch and give us a call. Thank you.